welcome to my channel Talkative Lavanya, and today I have brought 10 new smart phrases for you to speak in your daily life conversation. So friends, let's begin. So friends, our first word is done and dusted. Do you know its meaning? Its meaning is सब कुछ सक्सेसफुली करना और सब कुछ खो देना. Okay? So first, we will see through an example. Okay? I done and dusted my homework. Its meaning is not that I lost my homework. Its meaning is that I did my homework successfully. Okay? So friends, let's move on to the next one. So our next one should be wear and tear. Its meaning is not that you weared it and it teared. Its meaning is that सामान्य उपयोग से खराब होना. Okay? We will see through an example. I had my school bag and then I used it for so long that I can't even tell you. And now it has holes in it. It has torn. So we can say it has wear and teared. Nobody teared it, but it has teared on its own. By the use of our daily life use, like I'm making videos with my phone, and when I use it for so long and it be damaged, so I will not say it's damaged. It's meaning it will look like that someone damaged it. So you can say weird and teared because I used it too. Then it has damaged. So I will not make the video so long. So our next one is all in all. All in all's meaning is in Hindi सब कुछ मिलाकर देखा जाए तो. Okay? So pretend that you went at somebody's wedding and there was no food was not so good, and but some things were that you liked. So you can say all in all the party was not that much bad or good. Its meaning is that सब मिलाकर देखा जाए तो पार्टी इतनी भी अच्छी नहीं थी और इतनी भी गंदी नहीं थी. Our next one is black and white. Its meaning is not that in your drawing you sometimes color black and sometimes white. Its meaning is that when you have no confusion in something, I'm speaking all this, but if you understand it clearly, very easily, then you can hear me black and white. And if you can't hear me very clearly and you are not able to understand my words, then you are not understanding me black and white. Understand? So that was the example. So our next word is high and dry. Its meaning is not that when the clothes hang high and then they became dry. Its meaning is that when you don't have any situation, in Hindi we will call it बुरी स्थिति पे फंसना. Okay? When you are stuck in a bad situation and don't have a solution for it. So we will see through an example. Once I went somewhere, I don't really remember, and then I could miss the bus, but luckily no, I missed the bus. In school I was chatting and didn't remember about the bus, and then it left, and then I missed the bus. So then I felt high and dry. Its meaning is that मैं बात कर रही थी और बस छूट गई, बस चली गई. And so the bus left. So I felt high and dry. I was really stuck in a बुरी स्थिति, in Hindi, bad situation. Okay? So our next one should be live and learn. Its meaning is not that first you should live and then you should learn. Its meaning is that live and learn's meaning in Hindi is that अपने अनुभव से सीखना और अपनी गलतियों से सीखना. First I didn't know how to make videos. Then I made the mistakes. When I didn't know how to speak English, then I practiced. But I could not speak that well. So then I practiced, and so it is called live and learn. I made many mistakes. Then I learned it. So its meaning is live and learn. Friends, our next one is make and break. Its meaning is that a deciding factor. So, like its example is that sometimes you think we will be a doctor. Then no. I'll not be a doctor. I'll be an engineer. No, I'll not be a doctor. I'll be that. I'll be that. So, we should not change. So, our life's goal is a deciding factor. If we select a goal, then we should not change it like, I'll be that. Oh, I will be a businessman, not a doctor. No. I'll be an engineer, not a doctor. So, our goal is a deciding factor. We should make and break with our goal. Okay? So, our next one is dance out. You know its meaning? Its meaning is that बर्बाद हो जाना or to have no money. You know its meaning, right? When I ask for money for my mom, I say, Mom, please give me some money. Then she says, I am down and out. Its meaning is that I have no money. Okay? So it's a common excuse to give no money, right? If you are a woman, then you can say this. Okay, so our next one is ups and downs. Its meaning is not that on the stairs you climb up and down. Its meaning is that with life, its meaning is that अच्छे और बुरे अनुभव. Okay, our life is full of lots of ups and downs. So it's true that sometimes you feel really good and sometimes you feel really sad. So that's its meaning. Okay? So our next one is do's and don'ts. Its meaning is that general rule and advice. Okay? Imagine that your sports teacher made some rules in a game and then you feel those rules really difficult. You will say, sir, these rules are too difficult. Then you can say, these are my rules and these are my do's and don'ts. Follow them or don't follow them. Its meaning is that they are my advice. If you want to follow them, then follow them. And if you don't want to follow them, then not follow them. Okay? So, he can say do's and don'ts. Not these are my advice, you should follow them, not follow them. Okay? So friends, with this phase our video ends. So in this video you learn 10 new smart phrases that you can use in your daily life conversation. And have something to tell you too. That don't only watch the video that I am watching the video and then nothing. You should use these phrases in your common life, daily life too. Not watch the video and the end. So if you love this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and like my videos. So friends, I will meet you with a new topic in my new video. Till then, bye bye. See you in the next video.